Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use a Quizlet. Now you can get the app on your Apple App Store or Google Play Store, or come use your web browser. You can click here on the top right to log in, or you can sign up as well with a Google account, Facebook, Apple, or your email. I'll just continue with my Google account and choose this one right here. Okay, and then we're going to proceed here. So if I come here to the top right, I can click on this plus icon to create a study set. Now, you can go ahead and use a flashcard set, create a folder, or even join a class, okay? So if I click on this, right, you can go ahead and create your free class or join one using a link. You just paste that link right here on your browser. I'll just close this and show you how to go ahead and create a flashcard set, just like this one. For example, let me show you it in action. So let's say this is the question with the multiple choices, or you can go ahead and track your progress as well. And if you know the answer, you just, you press on this, it will show you the answer. And if you knew the answer correctly, you can press this for no, or use your keyboard. If I press on the right arrow key, it will say that I knew that, and we will not see cards that you have marked as no again unless we restart the flashcards, okay? And everything here is shuffled. So if I come here and go to the next one, so here we go. So this is the question, right? The answer is C. If you're right, go ahead and press this. If no, you can press the left arrow or click on this, right? So you'll be continuing to see cards you've marked as still learning in your deck. So go ahead again, right? So as you can see, it's very random. Now right now is the number 10, right? And now it's number 13. Okay, for this one, dash results in the production of spores in flowering plants. Make sure you get the right answer, and you can track your progress just like that. And you can also get some of the other, flashcard sets you can view from different people related to this topic. You can go ahead and look up some study guides and practice tests as well. And here you'll be able to see all the terms in this set, and you can study them if you would like to go ahead and do so, okay? Now, let me show you how to create this. So you enter a title. So let's do biology, practice, add a description, right? And scroll down. Here you enter your term. For example, let's do pollination. And you can enter the definition right here to help you study, right? So let me add that. So here we go. It also adds it for you. So pollination is a transfer of pollen from male reproductive structures to female reproductive structures. You can go ahead and use theirs, right? Unless you want to use your own notes, you can go ahead and use those as well. And if you do get the pro version, you can add voice recordings, right? You can go ahead and customize them even further. You can highlight text and do a bunch of other things like, add diagrams. So you keep doing this. Let's do another one. Let's do germination. All right, so I'll do this one right here. Usually it will give you the definition. There we go. Let's say this is what we needed, and this is okay with us. So I can come here, click on create and practice. Okay, of course you can add as many as you would like. So here we go. It will ask you how you like to practice this. You can do a quick study. You can memorize everything. Choose a level of difficulty. Let's just start to learn here. And let's select the correct term. So the transfer of pollen from male reproductive structures to female reproductive structures in a plant is pollination. Brilliant. There we go. The process whereby seeds or spores sprout and begin to grow, germination. So as you can see, we got everything right in this one. And of course, you can go ahead and create these in different ways. You can even use ChatGPT and create study questions, right? And export that and then import it in Quizlet. So if I come here, click on import, you can go ahead and copy and paste your data, of course, from Word, Excel, Google Docs, wherever, and bring it in here. Right? Of course, you can search here. So let's do chemistry, right? You can search specific topics as well and go ahead and use these to practice. So there are 7 people currently studying. This one has a really good rating. So let us see what this is. Of course, you can do topic by topic, anatomy here. We have fundamentals of chemistry. So you can go ahead and look at this one and see what this is like. We have 39 terms in this one element. All right, they even give you images. Really nice, right? So go ahead and study this way. Really that easy and simple.